Hi designers, in this video I'll talk about research and its importance in design. So let's get started. So research in design serves as the foundation for understanding users, their behaviors, their needs, and the context, leading to the creation of products, services, and experiences that are not only innovative but also deeply inclined with the target audience expectations and lifestyle. So let me talk about the importance of research in design. First, empathizing with users. Design research allows designers to empathize with users by uncovering their needs, frustrations, and desires, ensuring that the solutions developed are user centered. Driving innovation. So, through explanatory and experimental research, designers can push the boundaries of current design practices, leading to innovative products and services that redefine user experiences. Informed design decisions. So, research provides evidence based insights that guide design decisions, reducing guesswork and enhancing the likelihood of the product success in meeting users' need. Enhancing usability. So, usability research tests how easily user can interact with the product, leading to iterative improvement that makes products more intuitive, accessible, and enjoyable to use. Validating concepts. So research methods like prototyping and user testing validate design concepts early in the development process, allowing for adjustments before significant resources are utilized or invested. Identifying market opportunities. Market research helps identify gaps in the market where design can address unmet user needs or improve upon existing products, guiding strategic product development. Facilitating collaboration. Research brings together multidisciplinary teams, fostering collaboration between designers, developers, stakeholders, and users, which enrich the design process and outcome. Understanding the context. Contextual inquiry and ethnographic research provide deep insights into the physical, social, and cultural context in which a product will be used, ensuring designs are relevant and tailored to real world environment. So predicting future trends. So research helps in identifying emerging trends and technologies, allowing designers to anticipate future needs and create forward-thinking designs that stay ahead of the curve. Evaluating impact. Post-launch research assesses the impact of design solutions can make on users and communities. This provides valuable feedback for continuous improvement and the development of best practices. So, in this realm of design, research is not a mere preliminary step, but a continuous, integral part of the design process. It ensures that design decisions are informed, empathetic, and strategic, ultimately leading to a solution that are not only beautiful but also meaningful, usable, and impactful.